Have you ever wondered how changing when you eat could transform your health? In this video, I'll share 5 ways intermittent fasting can change your life. One of the biggest reasons people try intermittent fasting is weight loss. The results speak for themselves. By limiting your eating window, you're naturally consuming fewer calories, which can lead to shedding those extra pounds. When you fast, your body switches from burning glucose, or sugar, for energy to burning fat. This helps target those stubborn fat stores that seem impossible to get rid of. And the best part? Intermittent fasting promotes steady, sustainable weight loss, not the kind that yo-yos up and down. Plus, it helps preserve your precious lean muscle mass, so you're losing fat, not muscle. It's a win-win. Now, let's look at blood sugar. When you fast, it gives your body a break from constantly producing insulin, the hormone that regulates blood sugar. This break helps improve your body's sensitivity to insulin, meaning it can be used more effectively. Improved insulin sensitivity is key for preventing or managing type 2 diabetes. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting can significantly lower blood sugar levels and support overall metabolic health. It's a natural way to take control of your health and feel your best from the inside out. Have you ever felt that mid-afternoon slump? You know, that sluggish feeling that makes you want to reach for another cup of coffee? Well, get ready to say goodbye to those energy crashes, because intermittent fasting can help with that too. When you fast, it gives your digestive system a much-needed break. This allows your body to redirect that energy to other essential functions, like boosting your brain power and increasing your energy levels. Many people who practice intermittent fasting report feeling sharper, more focused, and way more productive throughout the day. Intermittent fasting triggers a process called autophagy. Autophagy is like a spring cleaning for your cells. It's your body's way of clearing out damaged cells and making way for new, healthy ones. This process of cellular renewal is incredibly important for overall longevity and reducing your risk of chronic illnesses. And the best way to support autophagy? You guessed it, intermittent fasting. Adopt fasting as part of your long-term routine to reap these incredible benefits. Chronic inflammation is a silent troublemaker in the body, contributing to a whole host of health problems, including heart disease and arthritis. But here's the good news. Intermittent fasting has been shown to fight back. Studies have shown that fasting can effectively lower inflammation markers in the body. This means it can help protect your heart, joints, and overall health in the long run. It's like giving your body a powerful dose of natural anti-inflammatories. Stay hydrated during your fasting periods. Drinking plenty of water supports your body's natural detoxification processes and helps flush out those toxins that can contribute to inflammation. By now, you can see that intermittent fasting is more than just a weight loss tool. It's a holistic approach to better health, energy, and longevity. If you're ready to give it a try, remember to start slowly and listen to your body. And if you have any underlying health conditions, it's always a good idea to chat with your doctor before making any major changes to your diet. Don't forget to subscribe to Wellness Lori and watch the next video to learn even more about making intermittent fasting work for you. See you there.